Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful rubber band method hairstyle. If you guys want to know how I achieved this with this cute ponytail, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below and like this video. Let's go. So guys, for the first time ever, I think, I left my hair, or should I say I didn't touch my hair for like a month. Literally guys, just because I felt like my hair needed a break. I was literally doing too much to my hair and my hair started falling off, etc. So I had to leave it in cornrows for like a month. But yeah, so the first thing you're going to need is edge control. I'll be using the Gummy edge control. You guys can use whatever edge control you want to use, and I would also be using rubber bands. I'll be using the black rubber bands, and also I'll be using expression, and I would also be using a rat tail comb. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to part my hair, or should I say section my hair. I'm gonna first take the back section because that's where the ponytail is going to be. So I'm going to literally part it from one side to another. So for this hairstyle I'll be literally doing a side parting, so I'm just gonna go ahead and now section my hair. So yeah, just look what I'm doing, or should I say watch what I'm doing, and hopefully you'll get this. It's very easy, such an easy hairstyle guys. Parting for me is really annoying. I don't like parting my hair because I feel like it's just long. It's just long guys, because like I literally don't have a mirror at the back, so I don't know what I'm doing at the back. Right now I'm literally just using my head, you know, to part my hair, but obviously I can see what I'm doing at the front. So yeah. So guys, I finished sectioning my hair. This is like the next day, just because the day that I was trying to record this video, my ring light was giving me issues and it was just pissing me off. So I literally had to stop recording because I was getting so frustrated, but thank God. So yeah, we're just gonna continue with this tutorial. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair again, because this is where we start the hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair literally into like boxes, should I say, and just, you know, medium boxes, and then I'm gonna use the rubber band just to hold that, and I'll do the same for everything. So I'll just go ahead and basically take the first part and then put it together with the second one, and then use the rubber band just to hold it together. So I'm literally just going to do this for everything. So yeah.
Purchase your tracks today.
So guys, at this point my hands were killing me, but obviously we just had to continue. So I finished with the front part, and now we're just going to go to the back. I will just use some of my edge control, and I would also be using detangler just to kind of detangle my hair a bit. So yeah, and I will just literally pull all the hair together and then use hairband just to hold it.
Purchase your tracks today.
So once you finish all of that, I literally just went ahead and tie my hair just so that I can go off and do my makeup. So yeah, so we're back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and literally attach the expression to my mini ponytail, or should I say to the tiny hair at the back of my head. But yeah. So I'm literally just gonna put that together, and then I'm just going to braid the expression into a ponytail. So that's all I do for the back. As you guys can see, it's very easy, and I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it all the way to the end. By the way guys, I'm so sorry that my background light keeps changing. Like I said, my ring light was really testing me. It was really testing me, but yeah. But it's okay, because we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have learned something. This hairstyle is very good and easy for people that have, you know, natural hair, 4C hair, and sometimes you don't know what to do with your hair. I feel like these little cute hairstyles can actually go a long way. I remember someone did request for a rubber band hairstyle, so I hope this was helpful. And if you have any suggestions, let me know, because I don't mind to do more for you guys. So yeah, don't forget to comment down below, like, and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you guys, bye.